Another small feature that only Helium 10 has, but it can help in your keyword research and even potentially your product research, is something in Magnet that we have called Smart Complete. This is just a word we made up. But, you know, you guys know what autocomplete is, right? Like if you type something into Amazon search bar, coffin shelf, it'll show you all like 7 other options, like coffin shelf for men, coffin shelf for women, right? It's like autocomplete. Helium 10 has something called Smart Complete. And the reason why we call it Smart Complete is it's not just showing you those 7 things. It's showing you 30, 40, sometimes 200 different variations of the keyword, all that have the word coffin and shelf in it. Like if I type in coffin shelf, and it not only puts the words before it, it puts the words in the middle. So like words like coffin, gothic shelf will come up. It puts words after it, coffin shelf for men, like we said, but it also rotates plural versions like coffin shelves will come up. So instantly you should just put a keyword in Magnet, filter for Smart Complete, and you're going to have the list of all like the long tail versions of that keyword. It's also really great to understand what your potential is when you have a phrase, like a phrase match PPC campaign. What are all the possible keywords that would come up if I have a phrase match PPC campaign? This Smart Complete will show you. So again, how you do it is in Magnet, enter any keyword. I entered coffin shelf here. Under match type, I select Smart Complete. And then look, like, did you know that there are 57 different variations that all have the word coffin shelf? Here's gothic coffin shelf. So you see how I put the word in the middle? Look at this one, coffin wall shelf. It put the word wall in the middle. Here's a plural, which is a misspelling, coffin shelves, right? Here's curio coffin shelf, mini coffin shelf. All of these, look at this, coffin plant shelf. I didn't even know that was a such thing. I might need to look into that. Hey, maybe I just figured out a new product line for my product. So guys, this is a really cool tool, really easy. It's been there for years. I bet you haven't used that before. But take a look at some of your main keywords and get some ideas, and also get some ideas for product or for keyword targeting with a phrase match, and understand what are all the variations of any keyword that you enter.